Hello, good morning, guys. I'm Stefan and from Crypto Traders Arena. And today we'll be getting into a little bit trading. We'll be looking at some potential setups. Okay, I wanted to see if the sound is all right. And looks like everything is all right. Let's post it up everywhere. Okay. Hello, guys, once again. Uh, yeah, by the way, guys, share the link. It's helping us a lot. Okay, I posted it everywhere. Well, we'll start by making some plans, yeah? Um, Starting from zero, making some plans, writing down some level of interest, seeing what we can take advantage of, some potential plays and stuff like that. Yeah, how I used to. Okay. Was making a tea and a coffee. I'm back. So, good morning, guys. And let's make the plan for Bitcoin. Let's make the plan for Ethereum. And why not? Uh, some altcoins, some taking some requests of here and there, some questions from you guys. Yeah, let's see what we can get. Maybe we can make some money today. Tao, I took a short again here. Maybe you will ask me why I'm shorting it so much. Well, because it's overextended and a corrective wave should be coming in and then go higher. Yeah, so I'm really expecting the retest of either this area 400, either this area. And the risk to reward ratio for what I'm doing here will be absolutely paying off. And to be honest, I made money. I didn't lose anything trying to short it because I'm fast. And people from VIP, they know that. I'm updating everything really quick. I'm trading really fast, and I don't say you can do that or you should do that too. It's just what I'm doing. If you want to learn what I'm doing, then I'm more than happy to teach you and to be having you in my trading corner. Um, what the heck is this? Ticker. How did I ended up with this bullshit here? I don't even know what it is. Yeah, never mind. Okay, let's go on Bitcoin and see what do we have. So this for low time frame for 4 hours is not for medium time frame. It's not looking good. Structure it's intact, though on 1 hour it's not intact anymore because we have displaced the low which created a new high. Okay, this is the high which created an intermediate low and then which created a higher high. And by the fact that we have displaced this low, now we have a bearish market structure shift. So what I'm expecting is for the price to retest around here and then dump again. Yeah, pretty simple stuff. Well, that being in our mind, we can look at some channels here. Either this one, yeah, or even this one can be taken into account because this is the low which created a new high. Yeah. Here we have a bullish market structure shift on a lower time frame. So if I would be, we have a 3 tap. Yesterday I explained to the VIP guys that we potentially can have a 3 drives pattern. We had the 3 drives. I think you guys remember I mentioned about, guys, we most likely will have a 3 drives here, and then I will be looking for longs, and I will be looking for a long here. I'll actually frame it with you guys, and I'll also frame the take profit and where I'm looking to switch on the short side. No worries, I'll be speaking about FTM. I see your request, and I'll speak about TUI and say. Yeah, classically, let's take here a standard deviation 2 and 2.5. There we go. That's one. It's a little bit overextended. Let's take this week here, the more conservative one. Look, taking this high, I'm really happy with this high, with this swing high, because it swept liquidity before dumping. So there is a high probability market is not interested anymore in this high. And that makes me think that we can safely presume that the local high it's in uh, yeah, if you can bid, you can bid if we get a retest, not here. You don't want to long here. So that being said, I will try to long something like this, and with a TP around 2.88R, this is a pretty decent risk to reward ratio. Let me check left side something. I want to see where my yeah, this is POC. So we have the POC here, and we have the value area high here. Once the price we reclaim below the value area high, there is a high probability to go to POC. So we have a spike in volume here. And now we can zoom in. Let's check the volumes here. There we go. Okay. So that makes me think that price will not necessarily retest this low, will not dump this low. And I have to chase a little bit around here. And if I would be to chase, what I would do, I put some alarms. I will put an alarm here. And then try to find some indication that the market is buying. I would look for some buying pressure around here. Yeah, I want to see some wicks forming on a 15 minutes. I want to see some bullish structure, and then I want to see this. So this would be the limit order that I'll take, and then I will try to short this POC here. The red line, it's a POC, higher time frame one. So I'll definitely try to short around here, stop loss at a high, and then target the lows, the equal lows here. And 3.28R. I'm okay with this one too. Up here, nothing that I can do. I will not take anything. So this is my plan for Bitcoin. On Ethereum, we had a long yesterday. On the VIP side, that's where I'm trading day in, day out. Let me show you. I posted this Ethereum long. It perfectly tapped my entry. Here you see yesterday, this was the long. We made some good profits on this one. Yeah, we are now at 2.3R. I'm okay with it. But also I will be looking for a short around here, because Ethereum is a little bit stronger than Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin will get to pump around here, then Ethereum will be around at the highs. So I will either take another sweep of the highs, and that will create a 3 tap, 3 drives pattern here. Yeah, and we have the first one, the second one, and the third one, and I will try to short the deviation of this high, or some weakness here at the previous high. This would be the ideal scenario. until then, I can do nothing. Maybe long here, the daily open, take another shot at the long side here if I get one. So that would be what I will be trying. And I have another long here. Hello guys, hit that like button, guys. Share it if you didn't share it. I appreciate it a lot if you manage to share this. Let's get up as many people as we can. 40 people almost. Really, really impressive. I think it's a record right now. So thank you guys very much. Um, Thank you very much. Yeah, I'll explain the power of three to you. How did you know that Bitcoin do the three sweeps? Well, it's a pattern that market usually does to create liquidity and trap liquidity in the same time. And I mentioned this a lot of times when you have an initial dump, when you have a pullback, most of the times the low created is never the last low. So you have aggressive dump. This low is never the safe low that you want to long. Usually you want to wait at least for one SFU or another sweep, and then you engage into long side. And how did I know? I knew from experience because I've seen this too many times, and this pattern it's happening on a daily basis. And if you go on my plan that I posted yesterday, I mentioned about this potential three drives pattern, and then the price actually going higher. Okay, I posted the long on XRP. XRP is pretty good for a long here in my point of view. It should retest 61.8 here. Um, yeah, one sweep should be enough if you're fast enough to make the trade risk free. But if you're not fast enough to make the trade risk free, then I wouldn't recommend you to do that. Yes, it works on any time frame, and actually I'm using that on 1 minute. Yeah, I'm using that on 1 minute all of the times. Look at this correction wave here. You have ABC, and look one, twice. Yeah, you have first, second, and the third one. It's actually a dump. So you want to be looking at these sweeps all the time. And actually, when you have the sweeps into a POC, you want to look at 61.8 tap in confluence with volumes, and then you will get more information of what's going on. It's like TradingView, it's a bit clunky today. Yeah, there you go. So we have a tap of POC into 61.8 and then dumped. I took this long here on XRP. I absolutely like it. I posted it on Twitter. I posted it on VIP in the morning. Up to you if you took it. I took it. I like the risk to reward ratio, and yeah, I have to trade. I'm a trader. So we are long on XRP. It's looking pretty good in my point of view. I like the reclaim of this previous low, and here I have a clear pattern of reclaim, and I'll target the highs at the at the downward channel. Yeah, there we go. It's breaking out live. Yeah, it's breaking out live. Well, nice, nice. I'm okay with that. We are long, and I think everyone from VIP it's long, and Twitter it's long. Yeah, I mentioned it. Uh, if you can't send messages, you need to subscribe, guys. So just hit that subscribe button in order to send messages and ask me questions. Okay, man, dude, slower down because I need to take some profits. You are sending this one, guys. Yeah, I added a bit to my entry to be honest. I have my entry around here, but I added a little bit. Okay, let's go to some of your questions and then maybe we can go on. Uh, he wants to post links. Let's go to okay, let's get the most actual one. Why I'm shorting Tao? Go weekly. If you go on my YouTube channel, on my Twitter, and if you are a premium member, you will understand something. You'll understand targets and why I'm looking at shorting Tao. So Tao, it's overextended in my point of view here. It hit the AB equals CD target for this head and shoulders. and look at the daily candles. Daily candles, they are forming clear supply here. So my people are selling around here. I don't want to be longing here. It's retarded to long here. Where you want to long? Okay, you are desperate and you want a bag. You wait for a retracement in this area, 440 bags. Okay, here you are desperate. You are chill and you know what you're doing. Yeah, maybe you will load here at 390. It's the previous area where it was support, 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 support. You are a smartass, and then you will wait for 350 bucks, 337 retracement. That will happen. I know Twitter will tell you it won't it won't be happening, but guys, don't FOMO, don't fall for that bullshit. You have to have plans. Yeah, you have to use your brain, you have to create plans and then execute based on the plans. You don't want to execute based on what Twitter is telling you. So if I know that there is a pretty high probability to get my 38.2 retracement or even the zero point 0.5 at 390 bucks or 440, look at the risk to reward ratio. I will get a 10R until here. Until here, I'll get a 12 or even a 15R. I can be wrong 10 times on this trade. So I can be wrong 10 times. You have to think of that. I can be wrong 10 times and still make money. Is this worth the risk? For me, definitely. Because every time I long this swing failure of each high, I actually made pretty nice money. Here, when I shorted this with a tight stop loss, I managed to take profits around here. Same stuff here. I managed to take profits around here at the daily open. So I'm creating a risk-free position by taking 50% off of the position, and then if it hits my stop loss, I will just be risk-free. But every time you want to ape a coin, just go on the chart, draw Fibonacci, look at some levels, and then wait for a retracement. And even monthly. Okay, we close monthly, and I actually wanted to look at the monthly chart with you guys. Yeah, this is a nice monthly close. If you want to ape desperate, you wait for 491 bucks retracement here. And why that? Because if we look at the previous ranges, here was the first supply area, while here was the second supply area. Now I don't know what will happen. Maybe Tau will have some bad news or some fuckeries. There is a huge probability for the price to retest the first demand area, and let's say lesser but not impossible probability for the price to retest the second demand area. Keep it stupid simple, guys. Keep it stupid simple. So if I would be to ape, I would ape here, 460. If I would be smart, I would wait for 366 bucks. Easy. Don't fuck around. Don't ape. Don't be stupid. And I think it's time to take a TP1 here from XRP. And TP1 out. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I took profit one here. Okay, now let's go to the questions. I saw Silva check out FTM. I'll check out FTM definitely. Let's see FTM, what do we have here? Okay, well, real nice reaction from here. I bought at 0.288. I posted it on my spot challenge because I'm running a spot channel. And I bought around here. I had some orders around here. Let's draw everything out. And let's look on a monthly level. We approach supply. Don't try to be bullish here. Don't try to be too smart. This area, most likely the price will reject, or the next one is here. Where do you want to buy? If you are bullishly retarded, you buy here. And if you want to be smart, you buy around here. Let's go on 1 week. So you see, this level is exactly the W breakout retest. And here would be the sweep of this liquidity. So you either wait for this retracement and you buy here, or it price can do even this and then does this. So just don't fuck around. Just don't ape without a plan. Uh, levels are going to get retested. And even in the bull market, like the real rally, when you get all the legs to the upside, look at this retracement. Usually you get this 30% pullbacks and stuff like that. So just be patient and have a plan. And look at this one here, yeah? It had a nice rally. Look at this retracement. Think of this rally is the same phase here, yeah? Okay, it can go even here. It can take this high, but look at the retracement. It will happen, yeah? So this retracement will happen. Just be prepared to buy the dip based on a plan. So that was FTM. I don't know, you didn't told me about the time frame, so I cannot help you. Guys, if you have insights, you ask me about the chart. Please ask me, give me the time frame too, because I can look at weekly, monthly, and stuff like that. Sui. Sui, okay, I have some levels drawn here, and definitely it's approaching supply. And look at the rejection from the supply level on the weekly time frame. Monthly, same stuff. Weekly, same stuff. Daily. Actually, this one looks shortable, to be honest. I'm not a big fan of shorting Sui because I like this coin, but we have an M here. Yeah, it's too late for me because I would have liked to short exactly this area. So it's a little bit too late for me. I would skip it. I think I even had a standard, not a standard deviation, expansive. Yeah, 236. Yeah, well that's it. Next bus. So if you want to buy it, if you ask me where should I buy Sui? Well, guys, you have two alternatives here. You either wait for the retest of 1.17 here, 1.2, this inverse FEG plus the previous supply area. Or if you are really bullish and you say, okay, Sui will not give a retracement, definitely don't buy here. Never buy market. Don't be stupid. Never buy market. Put a limit order here at 43. And then you come on my Twitter in 1 month and say, well, Stefan, thank you very much. I have my feel on Sui and my bag is not 30% lower because I aped like a retarded on market. Yeah. So just do that and use the limit orders. Let's check say. Well, this one is primed, is looking very good. Let's go monthly. We flipped the previous area of supply here and should be demand. Now we should retest this area here. So market should be pumping a little bit more until we get here. And then maybe we get something like this, we get a rejection, and then we see this. We already have the nice juicy ass weekly W, so there is a high probability for price to pump and then retrace and then go for the aggressive move to the downside, to the upside. Sorry. Checking your stream can well beat comfortably on Sol and Bitcoin. I don't know. I can't tell you to beat comfortably on them because it can get pretty nasty if you don't have any validation point. Every time that you're trading, you want to use invalidation points. You want to use a stop loss. You want to use a trigger for cutting the trade. Otherwise, it's absolutely useless if you don't trade with invalidation points. Dude, I forgot to tell the VIP guys to TP1 here. TP1 here, XRP. Man, I need to trade my account. I need to. Well, I'm spoon feeding trades to you. If you want that, but also if you want to learn. Yeah, spoon feeding not necessarily, but it's just where I'm sharing all the trades and where I'm making my profits. I'm posting absolutely everything over there. Yeah, Catalin, XRP in good profits. Okay, Grim asked me about Bitcoin if I expect a leg lower. Grim, let's see if I expect a leg lower. Yeah, there you go. So, dude, monthly level, this one has reacted as demand so many times. I think it's the time for the price to retest supply a little bit. And what that means, it means that we should retest the highs here. This one is the first one, and then here. So I think price will retest 69,000 to 71,000 in the near future, to put it like that. It's inevitable because we retested the demand 7 months. 7 months in a row we retested that demand. Okay, we confirmed. It's nice. It's holding, and we should retest the supply. I'm not taking out from the box a scenario like this. I'm not taking out from the probabilities. An ideal scenario now would be this one: breakout 88,000, retest, and then go higher. But both of them, they are plausible because you want to have a huge breakout here. You want to see a displacement, this kind of candle. So after 7 months of consolidation, you want to see this big candle. And that would hit 88,000 and then retest this area. Weekly time frame, I see on weekly FEG. And keep in mind, the last times we had weekly FEGs, um, price reacted pretty nicely from them. This was the first one. Look at the reaction. Then we had this one. Yeah, pretty nice buyout and then dump again. And this one didn't do anything. So if price wants to be bullish, we should tap this low here and then have a huge breakout to the upside. So that's why I'm still waiting for this 62,500 area, and I mentioned about it so many times in my live streams because it's inevitable to be hit and tapped that liquidity, and then price to go higher. We also have this S&R flip, and which we'll be using on a daily basis. Okay, there you go. So some dudes, I don't know, we're using some bullshit trend lines and some bullshit lines like this on the candle body high, which have absolutely no value. We have a clear deviation on a daily time frame. Price has deviated below the low, and what will happen is most likely we'll retest and reject once again. So having that in mind, how I can use that information to my advantage to be making some profits. Well, that means that we will be pumping today or tomorrow, and we'll be retesting the 65,000 or even a little bit higher, 65,300. Yeah, around here, and then reject. In my point of view, will not break the high without taking these lows. So these highs are pretty safe. Just my 2 cents, they are safe. So you can take a short here, bet on these lows, take the liquidity, and then market to reverse from this area and then go higher. And then retest 69,000. Just my 2 cents. Yeah, just let me know if you have any other questions and requests, guys. Let's go on Mavia. I see. I'm pretty bullish on Mavia, to be honest, Grim. I have a bag. Let's check which one has the most history. Ah, there you go. KuCoin. Let's check monthly. I'm curious. Ah, there you go. We have some demand formed. I like it. Let's tap some levels here. Okay, let's go on weekly. I like what I see, but I don't like these equal lows. Mm. Slightly swept here. I'm okay with that. Yeah, I have a 3% back on this one, not too much. I don't take more than 5% bags. We don't have, actually, we have a daily W, a daily, weekly W, daily TIS here. So yeah, I'm pretty bullish on this one. I like the structure, and we should be going for $3. And with that information, what you can do, well, you can secure a sell half on a double. So if we get a retest of this neckline here, actually we should retest the neckline here in the daily FEG. So actually I'll post this one. Thank you very much, man. I'll post this one for the community. I'll be buying here and selling half here of my bags just to secure partial. Um, no, I'm teaching it on my school. I have a school that I'm running, Kapwatu, and I'm teaching that stuff over there. So in my point of view, it's pretty safe to buy a 1.4 bucks with easy selling level here at 2.7. And actually, Kapwatu, to be getting back on that, I'm starting it tomorrow, the first session. Paul, I think he can help me. I still think we have the registrations open. We have one or two more spots because I'm only keeping 10 students. I don't want more students because I'm really focusing on them, on their education. And I am really, really eager to teach them and for them to be starting trading alongside with me. I don't want volume and stuff like that. So Frostbite, if you are on live, I have you send me some charts. I will be looking on them. Well, you just DM me on Discord or on Twitter. But guys, I am selecting. For example, if you don't know anything about trading, if you never traded, um, if you have no idea of how to trade, how to proper size your trades and risk management, you don't know anything about trading view, I will not take you because I don't have the time. I will be teaching you some advanced stuff there. I will be teaching you how to be a professional trader, not uh, uh, to use the tools here, the projections, the volume-based, anchored, VWAP. This I'll speak about volume profiles and stuff like that. But I won't have time to speak about how to use TradingView. So if you want to join the trading school, which I'm starting tomorrow, the first lesson, you can DM me on Discord or on Twitter. So I like Mavia here. Actually, I'll post it for VIP and for premium. I like an entry here with a take profit here and the soft stop loss with a 4-hour close below this low. So 4-hour invalidation here. I absolutely like it. So thank you very much, Grim, for highlighting this one. This is what I like about the community. Well, that's good, Grim. I think you can. I think you can get inside the school. You can get in the program, in the education program. Okay, let's go to the. I received some questions regarding Bitcoin, USDT. Okay, let's delete everything that I have here. And oh fuck, I want. Never mind, I deleted that alarm. So what was the question? Can you please go over this? Like you always say, wait for a sweep of the low. Just tell me what's the question, Frostbite. Ooh, that's very good. Yeah, if you are a TRI level 3, definitely my trading course it's valid for you. I'm taking you from a swing trader to a scalper. I'm scalping a lot on 3 minutes, on 5 minutes and stuff like that. And actually this low time frame is like playing NBA, guys. For example, you want to play basketball with the guys in the court and then suddenly you want to play NBA. Well, that's scalping. And you need to have the proper tools for that, the proper plans made and the proper mindset. So if was anything wrong with your execution on these trades? No, that's actually a good setup. Ah, you took a stop loss here. Yeah, you took a stop loss. Well, I mentioned about the three drives pattern. You didn't do anything wrong here, to be honest. But I said 1, 2, 3. Wait for the three sweeps, and then you get the price. You get into the price because sometimes it's a little bit more difficult to explain this. I don't know how to wrap it up. Let's get your example here. Um, Usually, when you have a dump, it's regarding the session. So what I'm trying to mention here with the three sweeps, also it's directly linked with the time, with the when and where. So when you're taking a trade, always look at the time. What time is it now? It's London open, it's New York open, it's Asia open, and having that in your mind process, in your thought, you'll be thinking that I saw the market just going lower at the New York. And when it was about 2021 in my area, I said, guys, don't long anything. Actually, let me give you a snippet. I said, don't long anything. Um, yeah, and I said about don't long the equal lows and don't long anything yet. There you go. So how did I knew? I said don't long until Asia opens in 5 hours. We can flush. Usually, market makers they are creating a lot of liquidity, and that liquidity is based on the opened orders from the previous session. So you have London, you have New York, and you have Asia. What they are doing, it's actually they are creating liquidity in each of the sessions. Then they go in the London and then in the Asia. Then you will have two highs protected from the previous sessions. Most of the times, one of these, so you have two linked sessions with one against each other. What they will try to do is actually sweep liquidity of the previous sessions and then continue the bias. So what happened here? It's actually the New York. We had the New York low created here. Then they took the low. I think here closed the New York and then opened Asia and took the lows again. And then we have the real move at the London Open, like we have now. So nothing wrong with your setup. It's just the time. So you have to get better at understanding when to do that. Yeah, and why should you do that? It's very important to understand the time. Okay. And in Kapwatu, I'll be speaking a lot about the importance of the time. So when you are doing something, when you are looking for a setup, why are you looking on that period and stuff like that? It's a lot to discuss about. But when you are trading, you have to take in consideration when you are doing that because it's absolutely very, very important. Yes, be aware always of the previous sessions of the liquidity that they build. I saw Leviathan posted. I DM that dude. I saw he posted a new indicator, um, market profile or market sessions, daily profile. I don't know, but I saw that he posted an indicator which can help you with daily open, with New York high and stuff like that, New York low, etc. Well, once you verify, just DM me and we can discuss more. We can debate. So as I said, we are starting tomorrow, and it will be 12 weeks, guys. 10 weeks, sorry. So 10 weeks, and 3 months, 10 weeks. I'll be streaming daily on VIP, so I have the daily stream where we can discuss everything that I'm teaching there. And the course it's once a week, and I'm teaching the concepts once a week. So we'll have 10 lessons, which we are discussing daily on the live stream. Because I want to be sure that everyone understands and everyone has everything in place. And I look at your trade ideas and we'll deep dive in everything that you're doing to be sure that you are doing it right and it can be really profitable for you on the long run. Okay. I think Paul mentioned something about an LJ short. Yeah, if you are taking that one, this low, but I like this one. Yeah. For a short, I will be waiting for the FEG tap here for a scalp short, for a little retracement at 2 to 1. I'll be waiting for this red line. And then maybe I will scalp a short around here. Let's see, 61.8. Well, yeah, actually I know where I'll short. I'll short here the deviation of this high. And maybe we can do this live together. And then the TP would be around here at daily open. The trigger will be the deviation. Let's see the CVD and open interest. Coinalyze. Let me check if we have any divergence. Sebastian, yeah, we already did some nice profits on. We already did some nice profits on XRP. DM me on Twitter, or Paul, can you solve that? It says the Discord link is invalid or expired. One second, Paul will give you a link, no worries. Okay, let's watch the CVD. So I already see something on 5 minutes. So the price has made a higher high while the CVD made the lower high. That's bearish. Here. So price making the higher highs while CVD making lower lows. Exhausted buyers here. So a sweep of this area would be a good trade in my point of view with the TP around here. I'll just wait. I will not take it straight forward. The plan is made. I'll just wait right now. Let's put an alarm here on this trend line. If it passes and then deviates, I will take it. Yeah, see you, Sebastian. Thanks a lot, man. Eric, I see you retweeted. So I see Robin asked about Solana ETH, where you should long. Okay, let's go Solana a little bit. I mentioned in the morning that Solana is very longable after we swept this low. It's a little bit too late for me, to be honest, but I will try a long around here because if the price already retested this demand here. So I think it's from your side. Maybe you guys can confirm. You guys can hear me. I think everything is all right, maybe from your side, because I had no issues so far. So we can get this one, we can retest around here and then go for this area. So what I'll be looking for is just to snipe along around here. Yeah. And TP around here. This would be what I will do on Solana. So this is a valid setup. Actually, I will post it on the VIP. And let's check some more setups here, potential ones. Atom, Tia. Mm, mm, Not great, not terrible, to be honest. Tia all has issues with reclaiming this area. So until it's reclaiming this area, maybe I will not long. If it reclaims it, I will look for a scalp long. FTM already took profits on this one. FET already took profits on this one. I was looking for a long on FET. Seems like I'm a little bit too late, but you're never too late to a party, to be honest. Let's see, 2 hours, 3 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15. Yeah, I see something. So I think we can get a retest of value area low around here. And I will take a long here. TP at here and stop loss here. Woo, man, I spoke about this one 3 days ago around here, and it did exactly like I expected. This chart was looking so beautiful, but seems like it has no friends. It doesn't look back, so nothing that we can do. Yeah, nothing that we can do. If I can make a thread on how to jump on board on coins, well, I don't think I can do that. Why? Because that requires a plan, that requires good execution, that requires conferences and setups. And if I just post on how to get on board on coins, the majority will go all in. They will go 10% of the capital. They will say that I'm stupid and stuff like that. So um, I would like to help, but it's sometimes it's really difficult to help people that are trying to gamble your ideas and your setups because they will end up losing and you'll be the one who did a mistake in their point of view. Oh shit, I was looking at this trade and it fired already. Too late. Too late. No, I don't short anything on on XRP. I thought you say Bitcoin. Dude, I like CHR here, but still it's in a down slope, so even though I like it, it can reject here. Hmm, I like it. Not ain't gonna lie here, but it can do one more dump. I would have liked already to be risk free, so I would have liked the entry here. I'm too late to the party. Too late to the party. Doge, nothing. Ave. Yeah, I saw Ave here in the morning. I liked it. Uh, Actually, I will be using a limit order. Maybe we'll get a dump. I'll be playing this internal liquidity range here. Yeah, Ave, I'm taking it. And I think I framed enough setups. We have one here. We have the XRP one. XRP, we will retest this area, so don't worry. It has to go higher. We are retesting the demand, which was flipped now. Don't get too bearish. Yeah, this is a bullish retest. We should be retesting this area. FET. So we have FET, Ethereum, Solana, Aave, XRP, Bitcoin. I'm waiting for a short here. I will be getting another short here and maybe long around here, depending on which area comes first. So I think the plans are made pretty much. Let's check WIF. No, I don't like it. Structure, it's ugly as shit. What is doing BNX? It's looking ugly. Well, this one I already took profit, so I'm out. I don't care about it anymore. So, Alan, please use that link that PJ posted. That should be our everything should work from the website. Yeah, yeah, everything works from the website. Yeah, thank you very much, Paul. So Grim, you have the link over there. Let me know if everything is all right. It should be all right. So I think we have enough setups. If you guys have any other requests, please let me know. We can get some requests right now on a daily time frame and stuff like that. Yeah, I still like the short idea on Bitcoin, to be honest. The CVD and open interest, they are looking really down. So the price is trying to dump here. But I want to see a sweep of this high. Or I want to see some break of structure about this trend line and stuff like that. And then I will not take this short anymore. Let's see. Yeah, if you never use the Discord, you will have to do some validations over there, as far as I know. I had that issues with some members, they DM me saying the same stuff. And as exposure for the trades, um, I will use maximum 2% of my capital today. Yeah, so I will split 2% between all these trades. I will be risking like 0.5 for each trade idea. I don't want to get caught with my pants down if some nasty events might happen. Yeah, this one is already risk free. I cannot lose money on it. We made good money already on XRP. Aave, I'll be waiting for an entry. Fetch AI, I'll be waiting for an entry here for long. So Fetch, Aave, Solana, I'll be waiting for an entry, and Ethereum. I already have an entry on this one. Someone else up for the short, like Bitcoin Maker. Could you please have a look? BJ, you're on VIP, BJ. Yeah, I don't recommend shorts for the majority for public. Definitely, you don't want to short. Yeah, I'm waiting for this M to get triggered. Maybe I don't recommend public to get short, but you are on VIP and I'm making the updates really quickly. You can get risk free, and I don't have any worries with you guys there. So let's look at what you mentioned there. BCH, Bitcoin Cash. Yeah, we have an ugly rejection here, and we have a downtrend formed already. So what we can aim for is actually a little bit higher. We need a 61.8 here. You don't want to be shorting on a potential bull market. You don't want to be shorting 0.5 level. You want to be shorting a deeper retracement around here. Yeah. And also let's see some confluences, some volumes and stuff like that. Yeah, I like this area. Yeah, we're at POC. I would short value area high, to be honest, around here. Yeah, we can reject POC. Actually, we can reject POC because we are at 200 DMA in confluence with POC. And swap this liquidity. It seems like the price is rejecting here. So we have a first deviation point. The price can easily deviate and go lower from here. So yeah, it's a valid deviation. Let's go maker. Okay. No, don't short this one. It's not looking like wants to get shorted. You want to short around here. You'll have plenty of time to learn in Kappa 2, BJ. And Arkham. Weekly looks like a bullish retest. Daily range. 4 hours, it's in the middle of nowhere. And if you want to tap to bet on a head and shoulder kind of pattern, you can do that. Let me check some volumes. You can do that. You can aim for the 61.8 of intermediate high here, maybe a short. But you want to short the deviation, a sweep of this high, and then target the lows here. But you see the risk to reward is pretty not that great. I'm not a big fan of it. And let's say the next one, to do ape. Ape daily, weekly. Let's see, weekly, daily. Daily looks bad. I like this rejection. Usually you see what's happening here, so we can get a lot of sidelines lower. Yeah, this one is rejecting this big M, so I would short around here maybe. But this one easily can break your trade. So if you want to short, you want to be quick. I mentioned it so many times today. Paul, what are you doing? One second, I need to take that short. Okay. Okay, shorted. I took a quick short here on Bitcoin, a small one. I'm still taking the other one higher. This low time frame trading, you gotta be fast for stuff like this. Well, Godzeus says that, bro, you're shorting the strongest coin. Well, yeah, I'm shorting the strongest coin. It's has been insanely profitable for me. I 3x my bag here, longing and shorting and playing Tao. Discord guys, they know I'm long from $178, and I'm going to post it right here. So when Tao was dumping, oh, there you go. I said buy here. So 280, 192, $98. These were my areas to load the bags. And this is on my investment sheet. You can see it here. Investments. So uh, on investment side, we already have a double. We doubled our bags here. If I bought at 219, we are up already up about 2x. Yeah, I mean 2x is here. We are up for 3 times already, almost. Yeah, I like shorting this one. I like trading it. It's very aggressive and it has impulsive movements. That's why I'm trading it. It has really strong moves and you can make a lot of profits based on them. Let's see. I won't be spending too much time. I'll be spending like 5 more minutes. Let's see Magic from Bao. What time frame do you want Magic? Can say daily. Okay. Magic is looking damn good, to be honest. Look at this area and look at this one. Yeah, we are below them. This is a damn good area to be DCAing Magic. We have the weekly W, we have the daily W, you have absolutely everything that you do want. Also, we flipped this area. which is quite important for our order flow. We flipped it, and now the price should be skyrocketing. And I'm not joking. We should see 555 here. 50, 55, yeah. We should see this area. So another easy trade here. Um, I was speaking yesterday in the trading session that we have so many trades on a daily and 4 hour time frame. And Twitter and the guys from Twitter, they are not posting anything. Like most of them, they are just chilling. Oh, we are going to all-time high, or we are going to Valhalla and stuff like that. But I see no setups from them. When you see no setups, try to step back and say, okay, this is bullshit. I need to reassess my plans. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I see so many setups forming right now on 4 hour and daily, and uh, on Twitter it's only about FOMO, about emotions, and about feelings, and it's so sad. I'm posting a lot. I'm posting a lot on my corner, but I cannot post all the ideas on on Twitter. For example, on my spot challenge, let me see how many I have. So I posted 72 charts of meme coins. This is a challenge when I'm planning to get my 1K investment to 100,000. And for the spot, like normal, I have 58 buys, 58 charts here. So I posted at least 100 trading ideas. To me, Grim, StefanB on Twitter or on Discord, StefanB, one of those. Yeah. Or you just go on the chat and say, "Hey guys, I'm looking for Stefan." Ah, I see that you joined. Reapers Creeper. You can DM me. I think I have to add you as a friend because I can't. I'm not accepting DMs. Okay. So yeah, we have the bags loaded, and actually I waited for 2 years and something for this kind of move to happen, guys. So you cannot wait forever. Okay, I'm short here on Bitcoin. Well, guys, I want to wrap it up. We are past 1 hour here, 1 hour and 5 minutes. Little wrap up before I'm going. Ethereum and Bitcoin plans. Ethereum, I said I'm long from here. We can SFU sweep once again this high. We can do a swing failure of this high once again, and I will short again. Or we can reject here from the previous high and have sort of a head and shoulders kind of pattern and then dump. I will long this weekly previous week low. Price, in my point of view, should dump here. I will long that one. I'm long from this area. If you want to long another time at daily open, yeah, $2,600. Yeah, you can long it. Bitcoin, I'm short here. Took a little scalp short, LTP one at 1 to 1, so I can be risk free and then trail the rest at 3-4 R. We'll see how much we can get. Also, I'm looking if we are not so if we are not dumping straight here. If we do this, I will not take the short because it has no sense. The price already retested. But if we don't retest and it takes my stop loss here, I will try to short again to dump here and take this long. Then I will try to take this short. Then XRP, we are already wrong. We are making money. Trade is risk free. I think already it's on board with us. Fetch AI, I'm waiting for an entry. Aave, I'm waiting for an entry. Solana, I'm waiting for an entry. Tao, I'm short from this area. And I'm already risk free because I took partial. And that would be it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trade ideas. Wait, actually, there are more because on Bitcoin I posted 3 and on Ethereum, same stuff, three trade ideas. Whoa, that was intense. I need to drink my coffee. And I'll keep you updated. I'm going back in the Discord. I'll trade with the guys there, and we'll be seeing you in the next trading session. On VIP, I'm trading on a daily basis. Yeah, at the London session, I'm just hopping up few hours and I'm trading daily. Um, I still have the VIP open, so but I only have like 3 spots for VIP. Yeah, I'm only keeping it to 20 people, and right now we are 17 already. I'll accept only 3 more. And what I'm doing there is just day trade day by day. I'm teaching you how to trade and also trade day in and day out. I'm live stream. You see my trades, you see my executions and everything like that. Also, the Cap What You school. What is Cap What You? It's actually my trading program, which lasts 3 months. It's not a PDF bullshit that I'm giving you and then bye bye. PDF bye bye, I name them. It's actually a school where I will take you by hand, yeah, and teach you how to ride the bicycle. I will teach you how to trade from scrap. But you need to know how to use TradingView, what is trading and stuff like that, because I won't have time to teach TradingView. And tomorrow is the first session for the VIP. I only have, I think, 1 spot for the for the Kapatu trading school, and then you can also join premium. I will be live with Paul at the New York trading session. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and we'll be hearing you in the next trading session. Bye bye.